Guys, today I'm going to be putting in a no rev limit CDI from WattCon.com. If you haven't dealt with John at WattCon, he's an awesome guy, really knowledgeable, has helped me with my jetting, with my exhaust, and a bunch of other parts, ton of other parts. But we're going to be adding this. It's not quite like a programmable CDI, but it is a no rev limit one. I think it was like 260 bucks. The reason for this upgrade is that wave raider, I believe the CDI needs to be changed or something. I don't know. I did some tests on it, replace the stator, replace the plug wires. We're gonna throw this CDI. We're gonna throw the Superjet CDI in the wave raider and put this one in here. So, gonna do that for you now and catch it on camera, hopefully. So I'm still undoing these 100 screws that this has. Bolts, whatever. Screws. I think they're screws. I wonder if I can start getting that one off. That's too bad. Alright, so I got it open. I'm trying to do this as easy as possible, and it's not really working out that way. Such a small job, it's kind of fighting me. Alright, so we remove this guy. And we'll disconnect some wires and put the new one in. Easy as that. Black, orange. So one of these oranges. Alright, let me just look at this. Black, red, white, white. One of these oranges. I thought there was supposed to be an orange in here too. Black. Okay, that's for that. I'm gonna go grab the little wiring schematic that came with it before I undo all this. Okay, so here's the wiring schematic that came with it. I don't know how well you can see that, but orange, black, and then if we look in here, I think they're using this pink as an orange, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to call John at WattCon and just ask them, hey, is this pink wire supposed to be orange? I believe that's how it would be. It's a female connector. It looks like this one's going to be a male on here. I'm really just assuming, but I'm just going to call him just to double check, and since he's such a nice guy. Alright, so I just got off the phone with John at WattCon. He said it's been a long time since he installed one of these. Usually they go with like MSDs. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this pink as the orange, and then because it says violet for the temp sensor and there's clearly a violet one on here, I'm gonna use that one for nothing because I don't have a temp sensor. And if it doesn't work, we'll just swap it, and hopefully I don't burn up this CDI. But we're gonna put it in and I'll get back to you. All right, I got it all closed up. Got the old one out. Got the new one in. I started it, runs. I used the pink wire as the orange wire, didn't use the violet wire. All I gotta do is put these last nuts on and we're good. So yeah, I will be testing it out here tomorrow. I see my exhaust clamp moved a little. That moved a little, but it's still holding good, so I'll watch that. Actually, I always bring another battery with me and my tools whenever I go, just because of the last time the battery died on me, that the Mighty Max battery. Just because of that time, I'm like not taking any chances. Like, that sucked having my wife go get that stuff for me. But yeah, anyway, back to this. Gonna throw those nuts on real quick and make sure nothing's touching it. Nothing really looks like it's in a bad position except kind of this, but there's no good way to put that. Eventually here I'm gonna clean up all these wires, put this rubber piece on, but not wires, hoses. But yeah, I'll eventually get that all sorted real nice. But thanks for watching. The next video you'll see is the Wave Raider getting fixed right before I sell it. So thanks for watching.